without spending any ad money and still have Mark Zuckerberg pay me. Maniniwala ba kayo? Posible yun? The thing that I'm about to teach you right now is the technique that I have recently discovered through several years of executing content in the internet. Kala ko kasi before, when you try to create a content, huwag ka munang magbenta, you have to give value muna. But I was able to discover na pwede palang sabay. Tulad ng ginawa ng ex ko sa Okay? Cool. So, let's begin. First, let me give you a brief context. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, so ito ang kailangan namin gawin. First, we needed to promote this. So, every solution is created because merong problema. Yung sipod ko. So, meron akong problema. Kailangan kong i-promote ito. Our bootcamp. Sino yung mga bootcamp alumni dito? Taas ang kamay. 1, 2, 3. Palakpakan! So, kailangan namin i-promote ito. And the problem is, we're only having the ads. Pero sabi ko may platform ako eh. So, how can I make this creative? So, that's the problem. And so, we begin our planning. So first, kailangan namin gumawa ng lead magnet video. So the lead magnet, itatapon namin siya sa free webinar. Pagkatapos namin siyang itapon sa free webinar, that is the time that we will have to upsell the bootcamp. Okay, so first we have to have a platform to get the leads, emails. So most of the time, dapat free webinar yan. Dapat may value. And then once nandun na sila, you give them value. By the way guys, kung isa man kayo sa nagbibigay ng free, make sure that that is the best shit. Sorry, may bata pa dito. Sorry. Nasarap ko ba siya? So, bakit? You have to think like a drug dealer. Alam niyo ba ang drug dealer? Like, real talk, ang ginagawa nila is, nagpapatry sila sa inyo before you buy. Sinabi sa akin ni Alex Hormozy, kay Alex Hormozy ko ito nakuha eh. Sabi niya, you have to sell the best shit, especially the free ones. Because that's when they realize that this shit is good. Kaya bibili sila. So hindi ka, at sinyo yung mga Milo na binibigay sa school, ay, ang sarap. Pero hindi naman yun yung Milo na nakukuha natin sa bahay. Tama? Yung mga tumatawag, alam ko yung edad ko. Tama, di ba? Bro! And it's free. And the next day, for sure, at that area, may boost na bumili ng Milo sa tindahan. We try to replicate that, but we can't. So, the free should be good. Not good, but the best. So kami, I would definitely say that our good shit is free. So if in case magbibigay pa kayo, kung meron kayong lead magnet na free, tapos i-deliver nyo na, it has to be great. So ganito. So, ang lead magnet namin ay, it's about Rosmar. Sikreto ni Rosmar, ba't siya yumaman? So that's the lead magnet. Ifa-funnel ko yung attention, ifa-funnel ko papunta sa webinar. Okay? Now, the free webinar, video content domination. An exclusive webinar. And we put here, how much is the value? 16,000 pesos. It's really 16,000 pesos ang value niya. Because I think it's 5-6 hours, but we're giving it for free. And then at the end, that's the time that we would upsell the bootcamp. So that's the plan. I think this is a very traditional one. And I think common ito if you are doing online marketing. So that's what we did. Now, bakit dalawa? Na-duplicate this. Bakit? Parang dala-dalawa ito palagi. Sinasabi. Okay, now, here's the thing. The most important thing is, dapat yung lead magnet mo is really a magnet. Para marami kang makuhang leads. So if the lead magnet that you create can gather so much attention, ibig sabihin, maraming mag-a-attend sa free webinar, And kung maraming mag-a-attend sa free webinar, kahit 10% lang nun ma-convert mo, okay ka na. So, let's do the math, which is I'm not very good at. So, Don, please help me. So, let's say for example, mamaya pala meron akong breakdown. Pero at least, magkaroon ka ng lead na 1,000. Kasi most of the time, ang lead, half lang ang magpapakita niya. Half lang talaga yan. So, if it's 1,000, it will be galing sa math. Yeah. So, ito yung lead magnet video namin. So, I want you to watch this at i-explain ko sa inyo kung paano ko ito ginawa. Because it's so crazy. Okay? Ready?
Alam mo ba ang sikreto kung bakit ganito na kayaman si Rosmar ngayon? This one skill is probably the reason kung bakit hindi ka pa yung mayaman at bakit hindi pa nagde-10x ang business mo. Yo, what's up? This is Real Talk Darbs. Yes guys, ganito.
Freestyle yun. Wala yung script. So I just created it from scratch because I needed to do it kasi may deadline ako. And sometimes those kind of things, kaya di ba, 90%, 80% of success is showing up. So I don't have a plan, I don't have a script, I just went there because I needed to do what I needed to do and then I discovered this technique. You know what guys? This video performed so well that instead of a lead magnet video, I now call it lead magic video. So I call it LMV. So an LMV basically is being able to cast a wide net of attention to people and at the same time you funnel them through your offer at the end. Kasi most of the time, ang nangyayari kasi, nagsi-CTA ka agad. Guys, alam niyo ba, sobrang ganda nito. Bumili na kayo. Check the link on the description below. Nobody's gonna look at that. Honestly. Sabi ka nila, when you try to, if you walk in a woman in a bar and you ask them to, if you ask that person to marry you, the answer would be? No. Exactly. Kapal na mukha mo, di ba? You have to wine and dine the woman first. You have to build a relationship. But most of the time in business, that's what we do. We ask them to marry us. They don't even know us yet. So, the LMV does that. So, here's what it did. So, itong result ng video. Papakita ko sa kita ba? So, this video basically got us 2.7 million views. Organic content, no ad spend. So, ibig sabihin I use Facebook platform. I'm offering something. Kasi never in my days that I was offering something that I even would reach 30,000 views. Even if millions of followers na ako. Real talk yan. Kaya palagi ko sinasabi sa content ko, value, 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 value. But the thing is, I realized that there is a hack. So, I was surprised with this result. 2.7 million views. It got 74,000 reacts. And it got us 5.2 shares. 5,200 shares. And that's organic. And what's good about this is we got 8,000 registration. 8,000 registration who went onto the funnel. 2,000 showed up on the webinar. And 57 bought for 2.5 million pesos at that one webinar only. Because of that lead magic video. Now, here's the funny part. This video was actually monetized. Mark Zuckerberg even paid me 81,000 pesos to market on his platform. That's crazy. Because most of the time, us advertisers pay Facebook to market our shit. But because of the formula that we had in Lead Magic video, it gave us this result. So, no, $1,400 for that video. For me, the sole purpose is to market. So, bakit siya lang? Sabi ko, posible, bakit siya lang? So what I did is, we had another bootcamp. And my deadline na naman ako. So sabi ko, I cannot create a new LMV. So I said, F this. I'm just gonna repost the entire thing and just change the details ng CTA. Kasi batch, I think that was batch 4. So kailangan kong gumawa sa batch 5. So same thing. Alam niyo ba that there is what we call shadow banning in social media? That you cannot upload the same content twice. Because it's unfair. Yung 10 million views mo na video that last month, i-re-upload mo after a month, 10 million views pa rin. Hindi. Kasi makukuha ng Facebook yung algorithm ng video na yon, so that next time you upload, to be shadow banned. So I was expecting that this video, just for me to tick the box, at least 30,000 views. 30,000 views. But the formula was so potent that it still got, it gave me 1.1 million views. Isipin mo, a reposted content. Never in my life, in my content creation journey, a reposted content would reach that much. Ibig sabihin, there's something right in that formula. So, the result, 4,500 registration, kasi 3 days lang, like 3 days and then after 3 days, gano'n. Mas mataas kasi yung lead time ng the other one. And then, so ito ang isa ito sa mga ginawa naming tweak. And if you're a digital marketer, you can do this too. And you can earn money. So, ginawa namin is, meron kaming, punta sila sa isang page. Get their email, and we get their name. So that they will get the access already for the free webinar. Pero before sila mag-check out, we added another one-time offer page. So instead na one page lang, tapos ng registration, wait for the webinar, we added again another page. So pag lagay nila, then another page would appear. And that page is an upsell, which upsells the entire recording of the video. And meron kaming nilagay din na VIP GC and stuff and all for the price of 995. So we didn't expect na it would work. But eventually it did. So kita nyo yan. So we're using Helix Pay. So each email na nakikita nyo is 995 pesos. So on one day that we have posted that video, maraming nag-upgrade. So sayang, pwede ka pala mag-insert in between the process of upsell. Getting them in for free, and they have an option to upsell. Kung hindi nila gusto mag-upsell, they can always just go back to the webinar. So, at this specific time, we actually earned 470,000 pesos only for that lead magic video. And we had 482 offers. Guys, pinapalakpakan po yan. Hindi ka makakapulang ng 478,000 pesos in just one video. Plus, it's a lead magnet that it was supposed. Meron pa nga ibang company who would spend money just to give you something for free. Like they would advertise that shit so that they could give it to you for free. But instead, ang init pala dito. Okay. So, you know what's the best part? Mark Zuckerberg still paid me 16,000 pesos. Like, fuck. So this shit is good. So this formula is good. And you know what? Yan, binigyan ako ni Mark Zuckerberg ng 300, monetize pa yung video. So, the best part, Mark still paid me for advertising my shit on Facebook. Do you? So, the summary, basically, this lead magic video gave me a total revenue of 2.7 million pesos. At gusto nyo bang malaman kung paano gawin ang lead magic video?
Yes!
Parang hindi. Gusto nyo bang malaman kung paano ko ginawa ang lead magic video? Yes! Okay, attend kayo sa next. Joke lang, sasabihin ko sa inyo kayo. Mabilis lang kasi wala na akong time, diba doon? Overtime na ako. So ask me how? How? Let's find out. Okay, this is the anatomy of an LMV. Write this down. I discovered this shit. I'm giving it away for free. I'm giving you basically a 1 million peso formula if you execute this right. Okay? Speaker. First, you need to know is to find a figure. Sino figure ko sa video? Exactly. So you need to find a figure. A person or a situation that has the end result that your audience wants to reach. So if in case you're in a real estate agent, you have to find a figure, hindi necessaryong mayaman, ay hindi necessaryong artista, pero yung may magandang bahay, komportable at maayos na pamilya. Ito si Ana. Simple lang. Pero malaki ang bahay. At hindi lang yun ang malaki sa kanya. Meron din siyang malaking asawa. So you get what I'm saying? So, first thing, you need to find a figure. But the better is if it's relatable to everyone. So it's not just a figure, you also have to learn how to find a situation din. Hindi naman necessarily figure always. Pwede ding situation or an end result. Cool? So, again, sinabi ko kanina, sinong Ano natin? Sino figure? Smart. I think that is also one of the reasons bakit pinanood pa rin siya. Because the figure is so strong, people still watch it. Kasi if it was not a figure, people would not watch it. Next, you have to find a compelling hook. Compelling hook. Alam nyo ba ang sikreto ni Rosmar kung bakit ganito na siya kayaman ngayon? Ay, ako nga, no? Bakit? Like at the back of your head, if it's a question and it's a secret, you want to find out. And that's the reason why people watch that video. That's the reason why it has 4.7 million views. Because it was structured in a way where I'll get you in the hook. So, how did I do it?
Alam mo ba ang sikreto kung bakit ganito na kayaman si Rosmar ngayon?
That's it. That's the hook. Alam mo ba ang sikreto kung bakit ganito nakayaman si Rosmar ngayon? Alam mo ba ang sikreto bakit ganito nakalaki ang bahay ni Wendell ngayon? At hindi lang yung malaki sa kanya. Meron siyang malaking puso. Right? Gets?
Get.
Okay, next. You have to have a challenge statement. People wants to be challenged. Dapat sasabihin mo na hindi niya kaya to. Pero in a nice way. So this is how I challenge the person.
This one skill is probably the reason kung bakit hindi ka pa yumayaman at bakit hindi pa nagde-10x ang business mo.
This one skill is probably the reason kung bakit hindi ka pa yumayaman at hindi pa nagte-10x ang business mo. Fuck, what's that skill? So again, after the hook, lumipat ka na naman, okay, ano kaya itong skill na to? So you're building up the hype. Next. Of course, kailangan mo i-introduce yung sarili mo. Not necessarily long, but it's nice na kung may nagtatanong sa'yo, uy, alam mo ba, sobrang ganda nitong ano ko na, sino siya? So at least introduce yourself. Hi, my name is Bill Doctors. Hi, my name is Erlinda. Ganun lang, kasimple. Psychology, people listen to you when they know your name. Because when they know your name, you're not a stranger anymore. Right? So, meaning, the things that you're saying after that is, they're being more receptive. Guys, this is a hack that I was able to get through for many years of content creation that I stumbled upon accidentally, and that's why I'm sharing it to you. So, good. The next is you need to hype the figure. So, kailangan mong i-hype yung figure na sinabi mo kanina. Kung si Rosmar, ano ba meron si Rosmar? Maraming pera, maganda yung business, maraming sasakyan. Because the more you hype them, yun yung end result na gusto nila eh. Right? So this is how I am.
Yes guys, ganito po dati ang mukha ni Rosmar. And right now, this is where she is. Sobrang daming pera, sobrang laki ng bahay, meron pang Lamborghini, at meron pa siyang napakalaking business.
Simple lang. Real world result. Huwag mo sabihin meron siyang 7 million followers, meron siyang 10 million followers. Who gives a fuck? Like, the hype should be real world result that people want. Kasi I think half of the reason why people wants to have 10 million followers is because they want millions in their bank account that follows that, right? So, cut to the chase, remove the fat, go to that hype na in real world result. Practical. Next is number 6, the keys. Sinusulat niyo ba? Or binibigyan niyo na lang? Binibigyan niyo. Don't worry, bibigyan ko kayo ng link. May GC ba kayo? Okay. So, ibibigay ko sa inyo yung script nito mismo. 20 pesos na. Joke. I'll give it for free. So, isi-send ko sa inyo. Sa mga pumalakpak lang. Okay, cool. Guys, after this, the tease. So, anong the tease? Dapat iti-tease mo sila ulit. Kanina may the challenge because you're trying to touch their ego and then you need to tease them. The tease is for them, kasi saan ang offer mo? Saan ang CTA mo? Thank you. Ang dami. Isa lang. Yung kayo marinig. Saan ang call to action mo?
Last part.
Sa dulo, di ba? So, useless ang lahat kung wala sila kung hindi sila nakapunta sa dulo, right? So, you need to tease them. Na dapat, yung pinaka-aabangan nila nandun sa dulo.
This secret is a secret wherein when I'm revealing to you, kaya mo din gawin at i-execute wherein you can 10x your business, or if not, you'll be able to live a life on your own terms by doing the things that you love. Yes, pwede ka nang mag-quit sa trabaho mo. And if you watch at the end of this video, ituturo ko sa iyo kung paano ito gawin. Ready na ba kayo kung ano yon?
So that's the reason why there's 8,000 fucking registration. Kasi alam nyo ba na ang video is only counted on the first 3 seconds? So, useless kung first 3 seconds na panood nila. For sure, the registration was not 8,000. But the reason why it was 8,000 because not all the millions watch the video until the end. But higher percentage of people watch it until the end. You know why? Because there's a tease. Minsan may mga bagay na kailangan mong sabihin para abangan. Are you learning so far? Yes. Good stuff. Okay, and of course, again, I truly believe that people reacts more on negativity than positivity. I mean, that's just how life is. Kaya pansin mo, mga content ko, always, kala mo negative. Because that's how I lure you first in. Like, okay, negative ka. Sige, may negative ako dito. Then, boom! Ay, fuck! Positive shit. Positive na ako ngayon. That's how I do it. Because I'm very focused on the psychology of people. So, content creation is psychologically focused creation. Hindi chamba. Sabi nila wala daw formula ang pagiging viral. Yes, I agree. But there is a formula on a viral-worthy video. And I'm giving it to you right now. Cool? So, as what I say, people are basically inclined on negative things. So, you always have to say the bad news. So, si Rosmar, ito siya kayaman, stuff and all. But the bad news is, hindi mo kaya yan. So this is how I show it. But the bad news is, not everyone knows how to create video content na maganda. Yes, maraming tao alam gumawa ng video content, pero hindi lahat magaling gumawa ng video content. So, that's the bad news. So, ganito kasi yan. The reason why a person would tatatak ang isang tao sa'yo is because of the mixed emotion that you made them feel. You made them laugh, you made them cry, you made them sad, you made them happy, you made them excited. So in this video, kinag kita, tinis kita, tapos nagpakilala ako sa'yo, tapos hinayp ulit kita, and then eventually I made you say, I'll tell you that, sorry, there's a bad news, hindi lahat kaya gawin to. So again, there's ups and lows of emotion. And that's the reason why, yun ang dahilan kung bakit pinapanood hanggang dulo. So kung hindi kayo umabot hanggang dulo, baka boring ka. Joke. So the bad news is, what's good about the bad news is it gives people that roller coaster of emotion. Then what do you do next after that? You just conveniently put yourself as the guy. May bad news, may problema, hindi lahat kayang gawin to. Oh, by the way, that is where I would come in. Hi, my name is Real Talk Darks. I'm a content creation expert. And then, that's the time na sasabihin mo na yung accolades mo. Sabihin mo yung talagang nangyari. Kung i-hype yung sarili mo. So I've been in real estate for more than 15 years. Alam ko na ang pasikot-sikot, and I have been able to sell to all different aspects and walks of life. So, and this is where I would come in. Hi, my name is Real Talk Dart. I'm a content creation expert. For the last 5 years, I have been a content creator full-time. I was an OFW. Hindi ko na tatapusin yan. Pero what I'm saying is, this always say, you have to write it, this is where I would come in. But there's a problem. The problem is hindi lahat marunong gumawa. The problem is, marami marunong gumawa ng video, but hindi lahat magaling gumawa ng video. And that is where I would come in. I'm the guy. Hi, my name is Real Talk Darks. Conveniently, I said I am a content creation expert. The very problem that we have created earlier. So conveniently, you're placing yourself as the person who can guide them to a solution. Which the solution is, guess what? The offer. So yung offer mo. Ano yung offer mo? May problema tayo. Ano problema? Hindi lahat marunong gumawa ng content. Kasi gusto natin magkaroon ng result ni Rosmar. At nakuha ni Rosmar ang result na yun because of content creation. You see, ang pagkakatahi-tahi ng mga bagay-bagay, it's not a random shot. Just like every knockout, merong iba tsamba pero karamihan dyan planado. And this is how you would hit a knockout on your content. So
I'm personally inviting you to Video Content Domination, an exclusive webinar series gonna happen on November 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Yes, 5 days po kaming magbibigay ng value sa inyo. If nakapasok ka sa first 100, this is absolutely free. This webinar series will teach you how to create effective content.
So basically, it's 9 steps. 9 steps, if you follow carefully, I'm sure na kung ano man yung lead magnet mo or sa business mo, actually kahit hindi nga lead magnet na to kahit nga brand mo na, product mo na ang i-offer mo sa dulo, pwede. Is it difficult? Of course, everything that you start is difficult. But what's good about this is, you will get my lesson without my scars. Kaya apply mo na lang. This is already proven. Papansin mo, if nakafollow kayo sa akin, you will be able to, I'm hacking this so bad. Like, siguro mga wala pang 2 months ko to na-discover. So I'm hacking LMV so bad that lahat ng mga offers na meron ako ngayon, I'm putting it there. And it still has an entertainment value. Kasi hindi siya puro benta So, do you think that if I offered, hi guys, what's up? Real Talk Darbs, may webinar ako, by the way, content creation, attend kayo. It's gonna be happening on 3 days. Grabe, sobrang valuable nito. Worth 17,000 pesos. Do you think there will be 8,000 people running through that link and register? No. Yes, thank you, sir. Bless you. So basically, it's not the message, it is how it's delivered. And I'm showing you how it is delivered. Cool? Are you learning?
Yes!
It's good to know. Guys, again, tulad na sinabi ko, I know you'll be hyped, maybe some of you would execute, but at the end of the day, you will not get it the first time. You will not get it right the first time. So, if there's a message that I want you to understand, this is, long-term consistency annihilates short-term intensity. Hindi baling paunti-unti, basta tuloy-tuloy. So make sure when you execute something, not just in content creation. Alam niyo ba, content creation, the only reason 90% of people don't succeed on this shit is because they don't do it consistently. Walang consistency. They post first 5 videos, and then after the 5 videos, they stop. Ganito. Intensity lang. Walang consistency. So I'm giving you already the process for you to become consistent because there is a structure. If you get that link, meron na yun may script na yun, the figure. Tapos may sample na din sa figure na yun. Papakita na sa iyo lahat so that you can just write it. And then test and learn, test and learn, test and learn, test and learn. Cool? Guys, by the way, did you learn a lot from that?
Yes.
Do you agree that if you apply that, that could be a drastic reason why there is a huge influx of customer in your business?
Yes.
Okay. Now, okay lang ba if there's 2 ways you can execute? Do it yourself, which is ikaw mismo mag-apply ng mga tinuro ko sa inyo. And there's also done with you.